Hey everyone, my name is Santosh. Today my topic is HDD scheduling. It is there are types of schedulings. In that it is second type FCSC SSTF. It is hard drive disking. In that it is a topic for memory management. Let me clear explain about HDD. Let's come into topic. HDD scheduling. There are six types of schedulings. FCFS, SSTF, C-scan, C-scan, scan, look, VLOOK. Let we have to explain about HDD scheduling. Let's discuss about briefly about what is seek time, what it tells, what it defines. HDD scheduling is a vital for optimizing performance of hard disk drives. It determines order in the disk and input-output request process. We explain about HDD schedule determines order in which this input request are processed to minimize seek time, improve performance. We have to say about seek time. It is the time taken by read or write head to move and to the desired track on the disk. We explain about it in complete memory mass storage structure. We understand very clearly. Let explain in detail about SSTF. SSTF is shortest seek time. First, it discuss scheduling about selects input output request closer to the current head position. How it works and how it we coming to topic. This method aims to minimize the movement of the disk form, leading to the faster responsive times. Here SSTF works, how it performs, how it going on. SSTF performs request based on their proximity to current head position. Disk scheduler calculates seek time for each request and select the shortest. After servicing a request, head position is updated, the process repeats. It completely depends on head movements, how head movements are going, how we it memory wants to adjust or at the store of how it quickly and effectively. Here I give you an example with best example. Here here explain about something. Let me explain about here something. Here 0 is the initial point. Here our point is 50. Here it is the point. Here from here to it first nearer. What is the nearest? We considering 43 and 82. It is 50 is nearer to 43. That's why we are moving 43, 24 and 16. It is the difference about what is we using here. In some cases, scanner, C scanner, we move up to 0, but in this case, only 16. Again, it nearest point is 82, 100, 140, 150, 190, 199. This is the topic. How it elongates from point to point, how it magnetizes point to point. We calculate in how completely what is the number of moments here we are using. Here 52, 50 is our point, 50, 43, 50 minus 43 is 7. By adding everything from 24, 16, 24 minus 16, by adding 24 minus 16, 8. By doing process, how many number of dead moments? It means by solving everyone, we understand clearly how 82 minus 16. By adding, we understand our problem, how the it going on. Finally, we here identify number of hit moments. We completely about we have to know what is the use of SSTF, what is comparing to first come first serve scheduling. It is compared to it is reduces average sick time compared to we know what is sick time the time taken between data write and in the time of fate rotating in the days. And first term it is comparatively very average. It significantly improves throughout the process in around environment and with many similar requests. After that disadvantage it is starvation. Starvation request for current position. Requested location or outer tracks may suffer longer wait times. It is one of the disadvantage. And again unpredictability. We can't imagine it. Or your performance, it may be very good and comparing to SST. Distribution is very well. Heavily loaded systems are used. Maybe it is used for advantage main image due to the starvation process. Further, comparing with algorithm, SSTF when is similar to SQL. We discuss about similar how I for past slide I explained clearly about how the C-scan and C-scan. It moves one direction, serving along a way, which can help reduce starvation. C-scan provides more informed servicing request in a circular manner. Again, SST environment workload predictable accident pattern. If often system where read and write uh, concentrated in specific areas of this. Applications like database systems, one SSDF scheduling. After that, you know how our real-time products are used, real implementations, how it is default disk scheduling algorithms and mitigating its disadvantages connecting with other algorithms. SSD may play similar disputes and through mechanics differ from HDD. These were solid state disk. It is compared to hard drive disk. And after that, improving SSD performance to maintain hybrid scheduling strategies, combining with primitive strategies can elevate starvation. This main our team monitor this adapting workflow is optimized responsive on the times. After that, how these are used in future cases. So technology main players scheduling like it's and not all-time memory drives is very useful. After that, optimizing testing. After that, finally we conclude that in HDD there are types of disk methods, but in that SSTP is more trim to HDD and it is very average stick time is very less comparing to all. Comparing to this C scanner look or will are very best comparing to all. Thank you for giving me golden opportunity.